Hello friends, welcome you all. So today in this video, we will discuss about palindrome. So what we going to check over here if the given word is a palindrome or not. So what first thing come in our mind that what is a palindrome? So palindrome is a word. When we reverse the word, the reverse of the word should be the same as the original word. So as we have WOW, wow. So reverse of wow will be wow. And we have race car. Reverse of race car will be race car. Reverse of dad will be dad. Reverse of mom will be mom. So the word that give the same word after reverting the letters in the word is called the palindrome. So let's do the coding for getting a palindrome word. So let's consider first that we have a string str, and let's say as usual our favorite example hello. And what we need to do is we want to revert it. And when we will revert it, what will come after reverting hello? After reverting hello, we will get the answer as OLEH, right? And here let's do we have one more string that is reverse. Here I'm just declaring that it's a string. Okay, let's say the complete word, reverse word. I'm just declaring it. I'm not defining it over here. I'm not giving any value right now. I will tell you why do we really need to give a value or don't need to give a value. Let's learn about it. And then we have for loop. Uh, for loop, as we know, it will be start with the parenthesis and the curly braces. And in parenthesis, we need to mention int I equals to. Here we need to start from the highest index number, as I already have discussed in my reverse string video. So I will be equals to starting value will be always here str dot length, and we will use this length method minus 1 and semicolon. Then I will be greater than or equal to 0. This is our last value for I, and then I will be minus minus. We are doing decremental process here. And before that, one more thing we need to do here, that we will save this string in char array. So what we going to do, we will take char array as char array, and we will save it as uh, str dot to char array, the first method we have to use over here. So what it will do, it will save this each and every char of this hello to this char array, and it will be HELLO types. Then let's come over here again. Now what we want, we have already declared a string reverse word in the line number 10. Let's say that we have that reverse word over here, reverse, and it is our reverse word, and then equals to reverse word. And here I want to say that reverse word plus char array, our char array, yeah, a char array. And here I'm saying that I want to take the I times I values for this. And then here the most important thing I will be doing here. Okay, let's see. Now it's showing an error. It's just freaking out. This reverse word is just freaking out. Why it is freaking out? Because I have just declared it over here. I didn't define it. So what do I need to give? What do I need to do? I need to define this over here. I need to define it is a null value over here, because it's a string, so that here it will be taking at least it will be like starting as in some initiative. Whenever we will be adding something to this char array, it will keep on adding to the reverse word. And here one more thing I will gonna do, I'll do syso. And in this syso, what I want to print, I want to print reverse word. this reverse word I want to print. So though it will not give us the exact output that we want, but I want to help you out to understand some concept by putting this system out print over here. So let's save our code and run it. So you see, when I'm putting this system print over here in line number 14, the result I'm getting like this. Our requirement is that we want the this one only in our result, but let's understand what does it mean. So it's giving us a very clear idea about that how our code is going on. First it is giving us o value by char array, and then next it is giving us ol. What it did, that when it give us char array at 0 position, it added it on reverse word, and the reverse word this reverse word become o, and again it giving it the value, the second last, that is l, and now it is making it ol, and further it's giving is the third value, this l, and it making it it adding it into the reverse word, and it is making it oll. Again it's adding e over there, and then finally it is adding h over there. Like this, in this loop, this circle is going on, and finally we are getting our reverse word. So what does how should we put our system printout? We do not need to put this code here. We will just take it out from here, and we will put it out of our for loop, so that after the completion process, and when we will have our final output for the result, then it will give us only olleh, not the not all the all the process that going on through this for loop. So let's save this code and run it. Now you can see that it has given us olleh, right? And now what we need to do, we need to put a if condition over there with the parenthesis and curly braces. In curly braces we have to give us system printout where we want to say that given word is a palindrome. Okay, and here in this if, what should we put over here? So I have in the beginning said that when the given word is equals to the reverse word, then it is called a palindrome. So that condition we need to put here. Our given word is str, so I can just simply say str dot equals, I can use this method over here, equals what, equals to reverse word. If str dot equals to reverse word, then only it is a, the given word is a palindrome. Else I will put another thing over here, that is in else body, because else doesn't have condition. So we just simply can say siso, else siso, the given word is not a palindrome. Just take this from here and paste it here, that given word is not a palindrome. So let's save the code and execute it. What it says about hello, if hello is a really a palindrome or not. When I'm executing it, it said the given word is not a palindrome. Yeah, that's true, that hello is not a palindrome. And let's say now I just want to print out race car, if it is palindrome or not. So let's save the code again and execute it, and it is saving that given word is a palindrome. It is such a simple funda over here, that we just saving our char array into reverse word, and we just printing it out, and by putting a simple condition that our given string is equals to our reverse word and it is a palindrome, that's how we can just tell that the given word is a palindrome or not. Now let's do a reverse engineering for that. When we if we want to take the input from the user, so what we will do, let me write down a question over here for the user, that give me a word. Okay, let's just give me a word. I will tell you if the word is a palindrome or not. That I just put a siso. statement. For taking user input, we need scanner class. So scanner user input equals to new scanner and then system dot in. This is the syntax for getting user input. So for that we need to import the scanner class first, and then what we will be doing, we will be using ui dot next line method. Here this next line will return us the string. So let's take this one, and what we need to do over here, that we just simply can say that this user input is what. Let's take it from here and put it here instead of race car. So what will happen here, that it will help us to take the input from the user. And now let's save our code and let us execute that. And give me a second so that you can see all the coding. Yeah, let's save it and execute it, and you see in the console it's asking me, give me a word, I will tell you if the word is a palindrome or not. Let's say I am giving it wow and enter. So see, it's giving the reply that given word is a palindrome. It is giving us the word also, and it is showing that the given word is a palindrome. Then again we can execute it, and we just like change it to race car, enter. Yeah, it is also a palindrome. Let's run it again, and we say welcome and enter. See, it is saying that given word is not a palindrome. So that's a very simple concept for getting a palindrome, to tell whether the given word is a palindrome or not, or to tell that the given string is a palindrome or not. And this is the simplest way that I tried to explain over here, and it's the most important questions that been asked in interviews. So um, please comment out if you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Just please do like, share and subscribe for my videos. Guys, thank you very much for watching it.